Hey guys, and welcome back to Best Reviews, where we uncover the latest in tech innovation. Today, we're diving into the top 5 coolest gadgets you can get your hands on this year. From cutting-edge smart home solutions to portable gadgets that redefine convenience, each product on this list promises to elevate your lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button to stay updated on the best in tech. For more details and where to buy these incredible gadgets, check the links in the description box below. Let's explore the future of tech together. We're starting with the Ember Travel Mug 2 Plus. This smart travel companion isn't just a mug. It's a temperature-controlling marvel that keeps your beverage at the perfect warmth for an impressive 3 hours on a single charge. Thanks to its updated battery and sleek charging coaster, it can even last all day, ensuring your coffee or tea is always just right. What's more, you can adjust the temperature directly on its touch display or through the Ember app. And with Apple Find My integration, you'll never misplace it again. Its spill-proof lid and 360 degrees drinking experience make it a must-have for on-the-go sipping, while its easy clean design ensures hassle-free maintenance. Moving on to the Air 2 Air glasses, prepare to be amazed by the future of augmented reality. Featuring Sony's state-of-the-art micro-OLED technology, these glasses deliver stunning visuals with 600 nits brightness and a silky smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, perfect for gaming, watching videos, or immersive work experiences. Compatible with a wide range of devices including iPhones, Android phones, consoles, and PCs, they offer unparalleled versatility. Weighing just 76 grams and boasting a sleek design, they are not only ultra-light but also ultra-cool, ensuring comfort with adjustable nose bridge and arms. Plus, with Whisper Mode 2.0 utilizing advanced phase cancellation technology, the Air 2 provides crystal-clear audio, making it a complete sensory experience. Now let's defy gravity with the HCNT floating plant pot. This mesmerizing piece of home decor uses patented magnetic levitation to suspend your favorite plants in mid-air, rotating smoothly for a captivating display. Crafted from eco-friendly materials, it's not just a pot. It's a conversation starter, ideal for adding a touch of futuristic elegance to your room. Set up as a breeze, simply fill with soil, place your plant, find the magnetic sweet spot, and watch it spin magically. Whether you choose succulents or small ornaments, this anti-gravity planter creates a serene ambience wherever it's placed. For kitchen enthusiasts, the Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener is a game-changer. This hands-free device opens cans effortlessly with a simple press of a button, leaving smooth edges and eliminating sharp cuts. Perfect for those with grip challenges or arthritis, it's a practical gift that combines elegance and functionality. Powered by 4 AA batteries, it's ready to tackle any can with ease, making it a must-have addition to any modern kitchen. Lastly, let's indulge in the luxurious craftsmanship of the Novium Hoverpen. This executive ballpoint pen isn't just for writing. It's a work of art that defies gravity with its self-balancing design. Crafted from premium materials like aluminum or titanium, it's as durable as it is stylish. The magnetic cap adds a playful touch, allowing it to spin gracefully when not in use. With waterproof, free-flowing ink that glides effortlessly on paper, it's a joy to write with daily. Whether adorning your desk or given as a gift, the Hoverpen is sure to elevate any workspace with its blend of innovation and elegance.